Okay, so we're going to have a second video to our channel. Part of our RV adventures is going to be our toad. So today I'm going to show you how to put the roof back on and the doors to get it ready, because tomorrow it's going to rain. So, very first thing we got to do is, if you follow me to the back, I put these little clamps on just to hold it down. So we just undo the clamps. It just keeps everything from blowing around in the wind when we're driving down the road. So we undo the clamps, and then if you don't already have your side panels on, they come off with 3 little screws up on top. It's very, very easy. I just left them on in case it starts to rain. I can at least put the roof on to protect the stereo system, and the doors will still be off, but if it gets wet, it gets wet. So once you've taken the clips off the back, if you take your runners here, they have to come up top in here, and then it's going to clip onto this little piece right here. So the first thing to do is to just literally lift it up. If I can lift it up, sometimes it's easier to get in the Jeep to do that. Or if I just open up the back door. There we go. Okay. So we open up the back door. Then I can lift that up easy. It goes onto the tracks. Lift it up, slide it onto the tracks. So then I just get inside, and if you bring the camera around in here, I'll show you. There we go. So what you got to do is, this is the piece I was talking about, and it connects on in here. So it goes on the track, and it literally just snaps into place like that. And the same thing on this side. It's already in, but if it wasn't, put on the clap, and it clips into place, just like that. Then you take the top part and you flip it over, and down it'll go. So then the next thing you got to do is, you come inside, you move your sun visors out of the way, and you pull down the top. Now, this is the troubling part of this, is you have to connect this little piece here to the red part here, and as you see, it doesn't fit, so you've got to try to extend it as much as you can and then push forward out there. Now once it's clipped, then you can snug it up, and then you do the exact same thing on this side. Push it forward so it connects, and then snug it forward, and it's done. And then you put your sun visors back on, and that's that part of the roof. So now, the next part, what I do, where do I put my doors and my window panels? Come with me. So what I've done is, if you can see, onto one of the joists, I just put 2 J brackets, and I literally just hang my doors right off of the ceiling. And you can tell I'm 5'7", 5'8" on a good day. So the height of my garage is plenty fine, that I can pull my car in underneath and it won't hit the top of the doors. And then this is my hardtop roof. I have just like the J bars, and it literally just lifts it right off the back of the Jeep when I back it in. But I use the top of it to store my plastic panels up on top when I'm docking off the Jeep. So I'm going to just bring those down, and throw them in the back. what you want to do is, I've done this a number of times, and I've found the easiest thing to do is before you connect these, because this puts a lot of tension onto the thing, which is why you want to clip it on the front as well. I try to put the zipper on. So if you come around to this side, you're going to see that here's the zipper here, and it's got a zip onto this piece right in here. It connects into here. So instead of connecting this on and trying to get it, because then it's very, very tight and it's hard to get in there, if you do this piece first, you just sort of lie it here, and we'll try to get it so you can see. Like that. You slide it in just like you're here in Canada. We wear winter jackets, so it's just like our winter jackets. You got the double zipper, and once you've got it in enough, it'll go up. And then you just zip it all the way around. Like that. And that part is done. And this goes into this bracket channel here on both sides. That just clips underneath there and clips underneath on that side. Now, before you close your door, we've got to connect all these, which is going to tension off the roof for us and hold everything into place. So now, what we got to try to do is, it helps if you've got a second person, but they can pull down on the top. If you pull down on the top here, get somebody to pull down, this clips in quite easily into the channel. And you want to make sure that this cloth here, your corner cloth, lines up with the edge of the little plastic bracket, and then just work your way around. If you look, you just guide it underneath the channel, and then if you just push, it literally just goes into place, just like that. So that one's on. And then we can come over to this side, and we can do the exact same thing. You see, this little thing here has got to go into this channel here, and you want to line up this edge here with that edge there. You don't want to go way over like that or way over like this. It's got to line up like that. So what I try to do is I pull down up top here. Again, if you have somebody to help you, my cameraman can't because she's busy holding the camera, but typically I can get this myself. I start it here and I pull down, get it. No. Sometimes it's a struggle, as you can see. Okay, you know what we're going to do? We're going to get the cameraman to help here. Okay. So maybe. Pull. There. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's good. Now the cameraman can let go. So it's just literally and then if it's not lined up, you just sort of pull it around a little bit. There we go. That's pretty close. There. There we go. We're lined up perfect there now. Okay, so now we back up. We can see that now you take your back window bar, and this piece goes in here, and this piece is going to go in here. So it literally just curls right in and connects on. And then you flap this down, you flap this piece down, like that, and that creates your seal. Then you can close the door. Back window's done. And then your side windows, you can tell this is the inside because it's gray. So this is the outside. And it fits right here like this. And it's the same sort of thing. You've got clips at the bottom that clip underneath here. And then you've got clips on this edge that clip in here. So if you come over to this edge over here, you'll see that it can't go like this. This has got to go completely sideways, and this edge goes right inside like that. And you gotta have it down, obviously, to match up top, like that. But so first what you wanna do is get the zipper, expose the zipper, put it in, and zip it. Now before you go around the corner, once you've got it started, if you take this piece, line this up with the top here, put that in the track, like that, all the way down. That goes underneath. So now that's in the track, all the way down. Then you can come and do the zipper all the way down, all the way around. And then you start back here. And again, what you do is you just put it so that this piece here goes underneath here, start it here, and then it'll slowly start getting itself all the way in. You just feed it in all the way down until it slides in all the way. And then you lift up this top flap. You've got Velcro here and here. So this top flap lifts up and you just Velcro it down like that. And then you've got Velcro down the side. And that's it. Then off to the next side. So you basically do the exact same thing on this side. First thing you do, get your zipper started. Oops. I gotta get it in there. There we go. Like that. I got my zipper started. I go down halfway. I don't make the corner. Then I come around over here. And like I said, you got to turn this so that it goes in this way. And this piece here has got to go into that groove. You start it at the top. And you get it to go in all the way down to the bottom. Put that underneath there. That's all nice like that. You come back around to the back. And you finish zipping down to the bottom. Up the corner. Lift up the tab up top, put on the Velcro up top, and there you go. Oh, we got to do the bottom flap yet. Right, so you come to the back, start it here, and just, you'll feel it pulling. Just make sure you guide it as you're going, all the way along underneath. There we go. Now it's on nice and snug, all the way up the side, all the way down here. So that's the windows and the tops put on. Next, doors. And the doors are super easy. Or, like I said, you can ride it like this too without having the doors on. And then if you get a little sprinkles, just this part gets wet, but your electronics don't get ruined. So now, I start on the outside. Do is I grab it by the bottom like this, and I bring it over the top. Howdy. And all you do here is you line up these two holes, top and bottom, and once you've got them lined up, it drops into place. Oh, I gotta get them lined up here. Okay, what did I do wrong? There we go. Okay, so once they're lined up, if I get my camera lead to go around the other side, move your chair to the far back as you can. I put my connectors inside the side bag here. So you take out your connector, and on the side of the connector is the strap to stop the door from opening too far. So right down underneath inside here, I don't know if you can see that or not.
It's very dark.
But right in there, and I'll just connect it. If we had a flashlight, you can see. But it literally just pushes right into that piece, like that. And then you just take this little strap here and put it over top of the connector piece right there, just like that. And that door is back on. We'll take the key out, because now that the doors are on, it's going to beep and stuff with keys in it. So that door is on. Oh, now we move the seat to the very front to hook up the back seat. Come back around and we'll show you what we do there. Over on this side. And then you just open up your mirror. Yeah, you can come all the way around. So I store it with my mirrors closed. So once you got the door on, you just pop open your mirror again. So now we'll go and get the other door. Rear passenger door. This one here is not as bad. I can grab it right from here, so I don't have to struggle as you saw me with the ladder. And you just grab it from the bottom, lift it up over. I've got the door. And they're not that heavy. Probably. And it just slides on like that. And if you go around to the other side, I'll show you the exact same thing. So over here, I put my latches inside the bare basket on the side. You've got the clip, and you've got the connector to hook your door. So this little plastic panel just literally pops right off. And right up here, you can see that's where this piece here connects to. So it literally just slides in there. I don't even need to really look. You can feel it. You hear it click. I actually saw the lights go on. And then you hook up your... Oops, I forgot to go through. I got to disconnect it, so you just push the little pin right there, and you pull down, and it comes out. So you got to put it through there. A little hole. And then you can feel it. There we go. I heard it click. And then this piece here connects on right inside. Same as the front door. There's a little lip there. And it catches. And that stops my door from leaking. You've got two little tips at the top. Slip those underneath first. And then just push it on the bottom. There's your door. Then you can put your front seat back. And you do the exact same thing to the other side. And it's as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Next time what I'm going to do is next time it's going to be nice and sunny, is I'll take the doors off and the roof back down, and I'll show you how I do that. So till next time, please subscribe, like if you liked it, and we'll see you later. Hope you follow our videos. Bye.